Do you want to know how you can log into your Workforce Intuit Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can log into your Workforce Intuit Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for Workforce Intuit Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the QuickBooks account. You can see QuickBooks Workforce over here, so you can see that it's your Workforce Intuit Payroll account. So you can use two types of different things to log in, either your email address or your phone number. So go ahead and use your username or your email address over here and write it down over here and then click sign in, and if the account exists, then a password option will show on the screen. Go ahead and write down your password and then you can click sign in again, and you can sign in using your email address. Whereas from your phone, you can write down your phone number, click sign in, and an OTP code will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and write down that OTP code on the screen and click sign in again, and you can sign in using your phone. So guys, this is how you log into your Workforce Intuit Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.